Karna versus Arjun. Who is the greatest giver? Everyone may have heard about the kindness and generous nature of Pandavas, especially Arjun. But how many of you know that there was one who was just not filled with generosity, but also with the nature of giving selflessly? Yes, I'm talking about Suryaputra Karna. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Hinduverse. It's a pleasure meeting you guys once again. It's known that Arjun and Karna were compared a lot in Mahabharata times, and there has been a lot of numerous stories presented behind their supremacy. Today, I'll be sharing you one of those very interesting stories where Lord Krishna tested Arjun and Karna in terms of their generosity and selflessness. Once, Arjun in jealousy asked to Lord Krishna why he favored Karna so much and why was he considered as one of the most generous men of that time. To which Lord Krishna replied, "I'll prove it to you, but first I want to give you a task and I hope you would complete it." Arjun said, "I'd be more than glad to do it, my lord." Krishna said, "Look there, Parth, there are two mountains of gold and both of them belongs to you. Now it's your duty to give away these golds equally to all the villagers living in the base of the mountain. Remember, the golds must be distributed equally to all the villagers." Arjun was very confident about performing the task. So he gathered all the villagers and set them to line up. He said that those two mountains of gold shall be distributed equally to all of the villagers, and I shall be the one to distribute them. After distributing the gold for a while, Arjun gets a bit tired, so he asks Lord Krishna if he could rest. Plus, he was upset that the villagers were coming repeatedly even after already getting their shares of gold. Arjun said to Lord Krishna, "When will this task be over?" as he was not even able to distribute half of the gold of the mountain and was already feeling very tired. He said, "I'm extremely sorry, my lord, but I'm not even able to understand the goal of this task." Lord Krishna smiled and said, "I shall show you the reason behind my task." At that time, Lord Krishna called Karna and he said the same thing to Karna and said if he was willing to perform it. On which Karna happily agreed and thanked Lord for giving him the task. As per the task, it was said that the mountain of golds need to be distributed equally. So Karna, without even thinking, called all the villagers and announced to the villagers that the gold mountain belongs to them, so that they can take their shares of gold themselves and take it equally. Arjun was very much shocked with the action of Karna, so he asked Lord Krishna about it, on which Lord Krishna said to Arjun, "You were supposed to distribute the gold to these villagers, but you became attracted to this gold yourself. You didn't know how much gold was needed by each of the family in this village, but you handed them yourself, thinking it would be fine. This showed that you had a sense of belongingness to this gold. Whereas, in terms of Karna, he never cared about the gold, nor he was attracted to it, which is why he gave away this gold selflessly. He had no desire of belongingness to this gold and was only thinking to give them away." Lord Krishna said, "The one who takes the responsibility of being a giver must not have any desire or attraction towards the things or the items he wants to donate. Arjun, you desired for your appreciation from the villagers to think you as a justiceful man while distributing this gold equally. Whereas in Karna's heart and mind, he only desired for completing his work selflessly." From this story, it was justified that Karna had a huge heart of a giver, and his actions proved that he was a very selfless man. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be coming more with other interesting topic and stories. Till then, see you next time and God bless us all.